Oh my god, it's starting to snow.
Yeah, we got a little snow in here.
Ah, Jesus Christ. Fuck. Oh well. Well, let's start the show. Snap on Wednesday, everybody. Snap on Wednesday. Hello, hello, hello.
How do you spell poppin'? P-O-P-P?
Are we talking about peepees on here?
Pee-pee?
Poppin'.
Poppin'. Mary Poppins?
Poppin'.
Popping.
So we need everyone that's sick in a small and safe space. Who's sick?
Oh, well, I'm getting over it.
Yeah, you get it.
As I start coughing. But it's almost done. I know when I'm getting to the end of it because all I do is cough. Wake up all night and cough all fucking night long. Keep my wife awake.
I'm going back in
Get no sleep.
before the snow gets too deep and I can't get back into the shop.
Yeah. Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, well, that wasn't coming down to the sky when I went in.
Yeah, weird, right? Yeah. Just started. Oh, hey, look at this.
You see your wood safety tool there, Tyler.
Wood safety tool.
Tool storage accessories.
Oh,
It's a handle.
It's a handle.
oh, that's way too light. Come on now.
That's so cool.
That's all you need. Or a stapler.
That's just a tapping thing. If I want to persuade somebody,
You
I'm
want
going to
that
use
thing
something
I-
bigger and heavier.
Got that tool I got.
Okay, later, bro.
See ya.
Have a good one.
Please.
Oh yeah, we'll have to take a look at that after. It's pretty cool.
Your Dodge tool.
My Dodge tool.
Dodges.
Although they do have the best sayings, I gotta say.
Dodges?
Yeah.
Give the best
What?
one.
You can't dodge them, ram them.
Oh, yeah.
Bumper stickers.
Yeah.
Dodge the father, ram the daughter. I've seen a whole bunch of them. I thought that was funny, and then I thought, hey, wait a minute, I have a daughter. It's not funny
As you're
anymore.
about to put the sticker on your truck. Oh wait, no.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait a second
Wait
here.
a second.
Wait a second.
Like, do you know the Browning logo? Browning Firearms? The deer head? No? Okay. Well, Browning Firearms.
You
They
got
got a
some
deer
Browning
head
stuff
logo.
in.
Yes.
And I have that sticker, but mine says, I love a big rack.
Yeah,
I thought it was a great sticker.
Yeah.
I love a big rack.
And I went to put it on my truck, and my wife said, you have a daughter, right? oh, you done ruined all the fun.
Yeah. Fuck. Well, we do like big racks though.
I'll make a $100 payment today.
Should get what does Teddy need?
He needs everything.
Oh, I know he does.
Teddy.
Teddy's our new apprentice for the people that are just listening.
That's Rob. The guy beside.
What does he keep borrowing? Oh, an oil filter wrench.
Oh yeah, he needs an oil filter.
He keeps on fucking taking my oil filter wrench.
He wants the one that I have. I don't know what to call it, but I know what
Yeah.
it looks like.
You know where to get that? Is where he's probably gonna go get it.
I told him
Princess
Princess Auto.
Princess Auto.
You told him that?
He told him that.
Well,
You
I
told him
mean,
to go to
I've
Princess
never
Auto.
seen the tool on the truck here.
Get out.
Show me your oil filter wrenches.
That's the one, the two claw one, right? The,
Yeah, two claws with the
Yeah.
spring in the middle.
Yes.
You have those?
We should just buy him one. So he fucking keeps taking ours.
Would gift it to him?
Yeah. So there you go, buddy. There's your first tool.
Here's your first
Your
tool.
first tool purchase off the truck.
That?
Yeah. Oh, I'll gift it to him.
And you told him to go to
Are ya?
Princess
Yeah.
Auto.
Are you?
I'll gift it to
You're
him.
a good guy.
I'm gonna gift it to
Okay,
him.
you're allowed to stay in the trunk.
This is my driver's license.
Hmm?
There's no driver's license.
Oh yeah, you gotta have that. Someone asked about last week's video, like, how did Jesse lose his license? I'm like, that's not for me to say.
Somebody took it.
Somebody took it.
True story.
Yeah,
It is a true
exactly.
story.
Yeah.
Taken. Number 4.
It's funny what your viewers pick up on in the conversation and the questions they ask.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They particularly like what's over your shoulder there.
Oh, do they?
Oh yeah.
The biggins?
Everyone's like, I'm just here until this video gets taken down.
What? Ryan? Oh.
No nudity on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Now, I will be 100% honest because I am a boob man.
Yeah.
I've had her for 3 months now
Yeah.
because January was flat as hell.
Oh really? Oh my god,
March
that's too
was
funny.
About the same.
Okay.
So I just cut that.
Oh, that's hilarious. I love it.
Until something better comes along, she'll stay.
Oh man.
And if my daughter happens to watch this video, I'm sorry, honey.
Oh, that's too fucking funny. Oh. Fuck.
Well, we can turn that furnace off.
Yeah, it's hot
That's
back
pretty
here.
hot.
At least someone knows where the control is.
Well, I was worried about the polar vortex.
Oh yeah.
Tell me when the next ice age.
Oh Jesus.
Sold to a man.
Shop air
Sold.
cooling system tester. What is the shop air? Is this the
Cooling system pressure tester that use
Oh.
shop air instead of
Is that new?
pumping pump. No.
No?
Probably about a year.
Oh, I've never seen it before. That's pretty cool. So you got the
That's your regulator.
regulator on it.
And then you on and off.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen it before. Didn't even know it existed.
Neither did I.
So you
Learn
set
something new
this
every
at
day.
0, right? Open the valve and dial it up till you get to your desired pressure and then shut it off. I wouldn't recommend leaving this wide open and then
Yeah. It's gonna
What are
pump it up
those?
pretty fast.
those are sockets.
They'll cut out.
Well,
people to
it's
partner
like
with
like an O2 sensor socket, or I mean, those are for sensors or hydraulic lines, fuel lines, any hard line, right? Instead of using a crow's foot, you use a socket.
Interesting.
Got it?
Got it.
Roger that.
Roger.
Well, all right then.
Well, I'll give you $100 today.
And that's our cue to go back in the shop too. All right. See you back in the shop, guys. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. How's everybody doing this day? Snap on Wednesday. Snap on Wednesday. So I'm glad to be back. Still getting over my cold a little bit, as you guys probably heard. I'm still coughing. But you know, thanks for all the wishes, all the well wishes and everything. Last week we did a video and we were actually talking about Jesse's preload tool. So this is the diff bearing preload tool. So this is what he ended up getting, this guy right here. So thanks for all your guys' comments on all the other ways to achieve this without buying a tool. But he did end up buying the tool. So I was going to show it to you guys. It's an OTC number 6602, and it was like 70 bucks Canadian. So yeah, it's pretty good. Not bad. He'll get some use out of it, and of course, you know, next time a customer comes in or whatever, he can use it on that too. So, but it is for him, so it's for his own personal vehicle. So I thought I would share that with everybody. As for everything else, I do have the flyer, March's flyer, still getting made. I had a bunch of technical difficulties. For some strange reason, my phone just wasn't wanting to do what I wanted it to do the other day, so I couldn't end up posting it, but I am still in the process of editing it, so it's almost done. It will be posted within the next day or two. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for that. Anyway, guys, like I said, we are going to have a busy month this month. Toolbox tour, shop tour, and hopefully a day in the life if all goes well as other stuff. So just trying to get back into the swing of things. So again, thank you guys for your patience and all that kind of shit. So I really do appreciate it. Anyway, that is pretty much all I got for you today. Still waiting for the hutch. That is on the way, as well as my new top. So that's pretty much all I got for you. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.